Okay, welcome to another part of me teaching you scripting. Today we're gonna be learning about camera manipulation, so you can make cutscenes and stuff. So I'll go over the camera types and FOV first before we get into the scripting. So to edit the camera, you wanna go to workspace and then you wanna choose camera. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, so the camera type, so custom, it's the regular one. You can look around, move while looking around. Yeah, it's just a good camera. Now there's attach. It pretty much tries to put your camera. You can't zoom in or out. Your camera, like, I don't know. It's like kind of like it just. Wait, this is watch. Okay, well, it just watches your character. So attach is the one that's just disgusting. You can't look left or right. You can only look up and down, and the camera follows your player movement. There's also fixed. So fixed means the camera won't move at all. This is what you will probably use for cutscenes and stuff. So yeah, this is fixed. Then there's also follow. It's pretty much the same as custom. I don't remember the differences, but pretty much the same. There's also orbital. This makes it so you can't look up and down. You can only look left and right. And then there's scriptable. So scriptable, you need to script custom camera in here. Otherwise, it's just gonna go be fixed. And wait, track with it. Did we? Oh no, track we didn't. I don't know what's the difference on this as well. I just set it back to custom, and so field of view, this is, I'm pretty sure this is the amount of degrees that you can see. So the maximum is 120, as you can see. I can see 120 degrees. So if I can see the spawn corner right now, but if I put it on like 10, which is the minimum, I can't see it. Or 90, I can't see it. So yeah, field of view, it's just how many degrees you can see. 90 is a pretty good value. That's what most people use. But Roblox default is 70. Now there's also camera subject. So what the camera follows, this has to be a part. So if I do baseplate, my camera is gonna be in baseplate. On fixed, it doesn't use camera subject. Let me just put it back on humanoid. It actually uses, where was it? It uses the focus, so you need a focus C frame. So if I just make like a part in here. Oh god, let me change my view. If I take this, oh wait, I made it on client side only. Okay, make this part, I move it up here, anchor it first. Okay, now I change back to this view. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so this is the anchored one. Oh no, it's not. Maybe it is, I don't know. Anyways, I'll just copy this C frame of it and put it on the focus of my camera. And it's focusing kind of there. I'm not sure why it's like that. I don't know. We'll have to mess around with it later. Anyways, let's get into the actual scripting. So I'm gonna make a script in Startler scripts because camera manipulation can be done on server side, but I'll just do it on the client side. So first we want to get, actually let's make a player variable real quick. So game get service players dot local player, and now we need to get our camera. So cam equals, you might think it's workspace.camera, but it's actually workspace.current camera, which is the camera being used by the local player, as you can see. Okay, so we have our variables. We don't really need any other variables right now. So if I do like test.wait, and I'll do like 0.5, or I'll do like 2.5 seconds, and then I'm going to do the cam.camera type equals fixed. So this will set my camera type to fixed, If you can't remember them, you can also do enum.cameratype.fixed. These are the exact same results will be. It's just if you can't remember the types, you can just use enum and it'll show you all of them. As you can see, there's scriptable, watch, orbital, everything. So I'll do it in these quotation marks. So if I go in the game, my camera is gonna get fixed. As you can see, it waited 2.5 seconds and it fixed my camera. Let me try setting the focus as well. So I'll make a part here. Rename this to focus part. Make the size 1 by 1. I'll move it like up here, I guess, and then I'll just anchor it. Okay, so now we can change the cam.focus equals, let me get the variable real quick, local focus part equals just the workspace, wait for child focus part equals focus part dot c frame. So it should focus somewhere near the focus part. As you can see, it focuses on the part. We can also change the camera position. So let me do that real quick. If I just copy this and let's make a top-down view. Why not? I'll name it like end part. That's for later. It's gonna be easier to remember. Also make this invisible because I'm not sure if we're gonna get a black camera because we're inside of it. Okay, so I'll just make a end part variable as well. Oops. End part equals end part. Okay, so then go to cam.cframe equals end part.cframe. I think it was cam.cframe. Anyway, we'll see. As you can see, you can make like a top-down view if you do it like this. So yeah, that's camera.position and camera focuses. Let me show you the other type as well, this subject. So for this, I'm gonna keep the camera type regular. And what was it called again? Camera subject, cam.camera subject. So this needs a part equals end part. And then I will be focused around my end part. So you will use, you just set it to like make a camera system. So as you can see, there's an invisible part here and we're focused on it, or our subject is that. I can still move around as well. So yeah, I guess you could make like cameras and stuff with this, but I mean, yeah, you could. So let's get into camera interpolation. So camera interpolation is just moving the camera smoothly using a tween. So if you don't know what tween is, I made a video in it, so you can check that out. So first let's get our tween service, local tween service equals game, get service, tween service. And now let's create our tween info, local info equals, let's make a table. And now actually wait, no, I need to do tween info dot new. There we go. So how many seconds? I'll do like 3 seconds. I'll use enum.easingstyle.quad. Easing direction, I'll do out.easing direction dot out. Easing style, easing direction, repeat count, and does it reverse? Repeat, I'll do 0, and reverse, I'll do false, and delay is gonna be 0 seconds. I'll also make a table for goals. Goals equals, this is gonna be a regular table, and these are gonna be our goals. So cam.cframe equals endPart.cframe, and cam.focus equals focusPart.cframe. Oops, I forgot. I have to remove these. So if I do local tween equals tween service create tween or create, I choose our instance. So what we want to tween, it's going to be camera, tween info, so info, and our property table, so goals. This should work when we play the tween. So we should get a pretty smooth movement of the camera. I'll move it like over there, sure. If I do play, it should be pretty cool. Expects a number for time. What do you mean? It's number 3, it's a number. Oh wait, did we have to use parentheses, not square brackets? That might have been it. Yeah, I think that's it, because we're creating a tween.new, so it has to be. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, right. So I forgot to change the camera type to scriptable. So cam.camera type equals scriptable. So if I make it scriptable, it should work now. I'm not sure about the focus. I think I just set the focus. I don't think I have to tween the focus. Okay, so I figured it out. Apparently you need to create a new C frame and then put in your end part position and focus part position, because if you set the camera to focus, it just tells Roblox to prioritize graphics in those areas. So not sure why they changed it. I think you can do C frame here as well. Yeah, actually probably not. I'm probably gonna get an error, but let's see what happens. Yeah, so you need to be in positions. So it's not that complicated. You just put in a C frame. I mean, you create a C frame and then you put in your 2 positions. Well, at least I got it working. So as you can see, my camera will tween the focus and position. Boom. Well, that's everything about camera manipulation. I'll try to do pathfinding service for the next video, so you can make AI and stuff. But yeah, that's everything for this video. Bye.